Chad Moore, Regional President with PNC Bank. Since 2012, PNC has partnered with the Glazier Children's Museum, as we know, our own premier children's museum right here in the Tampa community that's dedicated to play-based learning for children from birth to age 10. Our vision for the partnership aligns with the museum's mission, and together we are serving the families of Tampa Bay and raising, hopefully, the next generation of leaders in our community. PNC has proudly invested nearly $70,000 in support of the museum's programs, exhibits, and special events. This year's events have given us the opportunity to be creative in the way we work together. To meet the learning needs of children from the comfort of their home, we have teamed up with the Glazier Children's Museum to create a one-of-a-kind virtual program for GCM at home about value. PNC is excited to partner with the museum once again and hope to inspire great futures for young children and help them develop a passion for learning that we hope lasts a lifetime. Thank you.
Hi friends, welcome to GCM at Home. My name is Ashley and I'm an educator here at the Glazier Children's Museum. Today, with my friends from PNC Bank and Daniel Tiger, we are making something extra special. Do you know what it might be? Would you like a hint? It has bananas in it. That's right, we're making banana bread. Why are we making banana bread today? That is a great question. Daniel Tiger told me that he made banana bread for his mom as a way to say he loves her because he values her. Value is a word we've heard before. Do you remember what it means? That's right! Value means how important something is to you. There are many ways to say to someone that you value them. You can tell them by using your words. You can also show them with your actions. Can you think of some ways? Wow, these are great ideas. You can give someone a hug. You can give someone a high five. You can share something with them. Great ideas. Daniel Tiger says that making something is one way to say I love you. So let's make banana bread, and then you can share it with someone you love and value. What ingredients do you think we will need today? That's right! We need a banana, and we need the ripest banana we can find. The best bananas for banana bread are not actually yellow, but starting to turn brown. You might see brown spots or brown streaks, and that means that it's softer and sweeter, and we'll have more of that banana flavor we want in our bread.
We will also need flour, sugar, a pinch of salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, butter, and 1 egg. I have everything here, so let's get started. Have an adult preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven preheats, let's make our batter. Our first step is to mash the bananas and melted butter together. You can use a spoon, fork, or another utensil to mash everything up. Sometimes it helps to tilt the bowl. Once everything is mashed together, we're ready to add our other ingredients. First, I'll add in our 1 egg and vanilla extract and mix it all up. Then a little bit of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix that all up before adding in our sugar. Once everything is combined, then it's time to mix in our flour. Your arms might be tired, but don't give up. Keep mixing. When you can't see any more flour, then it's almost time to pour it into your loaf pan.
Before we pour our mixture into our pan, there's a special ingredient that Daniel Tiger likes to add in. What do you think it might be? That's right, a little bit of love. Now we'll pour our mixture into our pan and have an adult put the pan in the oven for us for about an hour. While we wait, we can have a dance party. You ready? Our banana bread is ready to come out. There it is. What do you think, Daniel? Looks pretty good. We just need it to cool a little bit more, and then we can share it with someone someone we love and value. Thank you for joining us today. Until next